Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan da Ashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
The government handling law and order. I'm telling you, Maulai people, Maulai, the community as a whole, they're very comprising and very enterprising rather. They're very enterprising and at the same time they're very unique in the culture. They had faced the problem where HNLC, where there was a raid almost every evening, every night there was a gunshot. So they are all fed up of those. So most of the HNLC has gone back to normal life because of the hard work done by the people of Malai. We have to appreciate them. We have to, we have to appreciate them, and rather we have to encourage the youth to be. We should learn an example from people from the Malai. But I personally feel that there's totally failure in the part of intelligence. Example, I don't blame the police. I blame the government because the police will just go over the government. The police will never go and raid without the government's permission. So the government has to give the permission before police has done. See, they should have known who is Cherish. His health is not good and he already surrendered. And they should ask from the local people how he behaved. They should have a proper intelligence before they go and raid. They should know who are with him. So I feel very bad, the tears coming from the eyes of many people when you shoot a man in front of his children, in front of his wife. So it's very bad. I really feel very bad when 4 o'clock in the morning, because I also have a very close supporters from Thank You family. So I've got a friend of mine from Thank You family called me at 4 o'clock in the morning. Very unfortunate, I put silent mode. I was sleeping, I could not see. When I got up, when I saw there's almost 20 calls, then I called back, I said, what happened? They said, this is what happened. I feel very bad. This is totally failure of the government. Why? Because the government is so corrupt. The way they post the people from a constable to the higher level, all are inefficient, incompetent officers. That's why this thing happened. Otherwise, before, the intelligence has to inform the police. The people who go and raid, the police who go and raid, most of them are young boys, so they have to take care of themselves. They thought that like you are raiding GNLE or NSCN, well, full guard, full security, that they did not know that Thank was alone with the family. I said totally failure. So it's already in the mind of the guys who have gone to raid, must be their safety also they have to think. So I think there's totally failure in part of the government.